Sometimes, you forget to download the attendance list before ending a meeting. You can use the Insights app to find a record of meetings. You can add it from here. Click on the Track Student Activity link. Click on the All Activities option. Choose Meetings. Let's take a look at a populated team. Choose the period in question. Now you can see who was present and who was not. The blue bars indicate students who were present. The pink bars indicate the absent ones. You can also download the attendance as an Excel file, but I would not recommend, as it does not seem to be faithful to what you see in the Insights app itself.